Begin the journey into the world of keyboard shortcuts. Uncover the secret powers of function keys F1 to F12. F1, the unsung hero, offers instant help in most software. F2, it's your go-to for quick renaming of files or tabs. F3, the search maestro, summons the search box in a jiffy. F4, the multitasker's ally, can close windows or do more with the F and key. F5, the refresh specialist, reloads web pages and app content. F6, the editor's friend, moves your cursor to the browser's address bar or selects text. F7, the media control hub, can play, pause, or control playback. F8, the gatekeeper is crucial during system boot for accessing safe mode. F9, the dynamic one, refreshes or updates content based on the program. F10, the menu navigator, opens the menu bar in many apps. F11, the full-screen wizard, toggles full-screen mode. And finally, F12, the save savior, triggers the save as dialog. So the next time you're at your keyboard, harness the power of these function keys. Stay tuned for more keyboard hacks and tech tips.